Greetings. In major tech news today, OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, is entering the job market with a bold new move that could reshape how professionals connect with employers. OpenAI has unveiled plans for the OpenAI Jobs platform, a new AI-powered hiring service expected to launch by mid-2026. According to Simo, OpenAI's CEO of applications, the platform will use AI to help find the perfect matches between employer needs and worker capabilities. It will even feature special tracks tailored for small businesses and local governments, helping them access AI talent more effectively. This puts OpenAI in direct competition with LinkedIn, an online professional networking giant that's owned by Microsoft. Interestingly, also OpenAI's biggest backer, and co-founded by Reid Hoffman, one of OpenAI's early investors. But OpenAI isn't stopping over there. Through its OpenAI Academy, the company plans to roll out AI fluency certifications, with a pilot set to begin later this year and a goal to certify 10 million Americans by 2030, in collaboration with Walmart. This effort aligns with broader government initiatives. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman, along with other tech leaders, is expected to meet with the White House to discuss how to expand AI literacy nationwide. In acknowledging the challenges ahead, Simo referenced warnings from industry figures, like Anthropic's CEO, who predicts AI may eliminate up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs by 2030. Yet she emphasized that OpenAI's role is to help workers adapt by equipping them with the skills and connections to thrive in the AI-powered job market. Summing up, OpenAI is evolving beyond its chatbot roots with a strategic foray into recruitment and education. The OpenAI Jobs platform, slated for mid-2026, aims to simplify job matching and upskill the workforce through AI certification. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this story and its implications for the future of work.